Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to lock and unlock chats on WhatsApp on Samsung and Android phones. So here I have a Galaxy A36 5G, but it's the same also for the other Samsung and Android phones. And if you go to WhatsApp and you have a chat and you want to lock this chat because you don't want anybody else to see this conversation, you can do it. For that, just push and hold on this chat and now tap on these three dots and here tap on lock chat. Okay, and now you can keep this chat locked and hidden. For that, just tap continue and confirm to lock your chats. Scan your fingerprint or use PIN. I will use my fingerprint and this chat is locked. Okay. Now, where is the chat? The chat, you will find it here where you see locked chats. Tap on it, use your fingerprint or PIN and the chat is here. Okay. Now, if you don't want this option to appear here in the list, you can do it. For that, just go here to locked chats and here tap on these three dots and we have chat lock settings. Now from here you can hide locked chats. Just tap here to enable this feature and you need to create a secret code and I will show you for what is good that code. Tap here and now enter your own code. I will tap 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 for example. Next, again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and done. And now locked chats are hidden. If you go back and go back again, as you can see, we don't have any more locked chats here in the list. Okay, and the question is how we find that locked chats. For that, here in the search bar, you need to tap your secret code. So mine is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and here we have locked chats and here is my chat. Now, if you don't remember the secret code and you want to clear that chat and restore it, you can do it. For that, tap on these three dots, tap on settings, go to privacy, go down to chat lock. And here we have the option unlock and clear locked chats. And you can use this option if you forgot your secret code. And this will also unlock and clear messages, photos and videos in locked chats. Just tap here, tap unlock and clear, use your PIN or fingerprint and the chat will be back but without anything inside. Now, if you want to restore that chat and unlock, again tap here your secret code 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, go to locked chats, here tap on these three dots, tap on chat lock settings and disable hide locked chats, tap continue. Here you can turn off the secret code, tap again continue, go back. Here where you have the locked chats, push and hold on the chat and here tap on these three dots, tap unlock chat, use your fingerprint, go back and here we have back that chat and that's all. So this was my video for today. I hope it's not too complicated. You can leave me in the comment area how it's working for you and if you have any questions. And you can hit the like button if it was useful and also you can subscribe to see more interesting videos and see you to the next. Have a nice day.